Bybit versus Coinbase. Bybit and Coinbase are two prominent cryptocurrency platforms, but they cater to vastly different audiences and trading needs. Bybit primarily targets seasoned traders and those involved in margin or trading futures. While Coinbase is an older wallet, it is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges globally, known for its user-friendly interface, designed for beginners and retail investors who want to buy, sell, or hold crypto. It offers a robust fiat-to-crypto gateway and custodial wallet services. When it comes to spot trading, Bybit has it, but derivatives are the focus, while Coinbase's strong spot trading platform for beginners. Bybit has advanced derivative futures trading up to 100 leverage, while Coinbase does not have derivatives in trading options. When it comes to staking and rewards, Bybit is limited comparing to Coinbase because it has an earn and extensive staking support. They are both secure and they both advance features for cryptocurrency users. When it comes to fees, Bybit is a bit lower than Coinbase. Choose Bybit if you are an experienced trader looking for advanced tools and high-leverage derivatives trading, and choose Coinbase if you are a beginner or retail investor looking for a simple, secure platform to buy and sell crypto. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Both platforms are excellent in their respective domains, but the choice depends on your trading goals and experience level. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.